Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Belle Chantel again, back with another video. It's a requested video that everybody's been asking about. It's my baby hairs, so just keep watching. First, I grabbed my Eco Styler and my gel toothbrush. Don't mind my gel toothbrush. It's been years, been ran through. So first thing I do is I wet my gel toothbrush and I start brushing down my baby hairs, and just not the adult hairs, just the baby hairs. Make sure you don't get any long hairs in it. And I like to keep combing through my baby hairs to make sure that they're smooth and laid down. I like to take the top. I don't like to put a lot of the Eco Styler because a little goes a long way. I like to take the water, get my brush wet again, and then try to go over my baby hairs some. And then I put the Eco Styler gel on my hair and just keep playing with it. But the easiest way to do it is by, as you can see, me grabbing my hairs and holding my finger down on it as I'm kind of swooping the baby hairs. If you do it without the finger, it doesn't really lay as good, but I do that for each one of my baby hairs. And I like to hold my hair back, my long hair back, so that none of the long hairs get in it. You can really swoop it to whatever your likings is. You don't have to have 3 swoops on the side. I just like 3 swoops on mine. Then I go back on the other side and I repeat the same process. I get my brush wet and then I go over my baby hairs and put a little bit of the gel on there and just play with it with my fingers. It's really just a process. Like, you just play with it until it's to your liking. But as the gel dries, I do like to go back over it I like to wet my brush with hot water and go back over it so that the buildup of the gel in my toothbrush kind of goes on the baby hairs in a way. It's weird, but it gives it that extra hold throughout the day. And when I'm done, I don't think I added this clip in there. I'm so sorry, you guys. But when I'm done, I actually like to take my do-rag or my scarf or anything, whatever you want to call it, and actually wrap my hair up with it. But as you can see right now, I'm just, kind of styling with my silk wrap. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Please like and comment down below on what the next video I should post. And don't forget to subscribe.